gap in today's warning system that we have been forced to live with. If you are away from power and shelter, you are in harm's way, and there's no way for you to get the information. Until now. Here's the reality. There's no way I know or any meteorologist knows where you're going to be at any point in the day. So any forecast is really useless. Our company, along with our patent, is called Personal Threat Technologies, and our app is called Weather Genie. This is how it works. We put a 20-mile ring around your phone, and should anything from the air, ground, or sea penetrate that ring, we give you a notification beforehand. You see, we do the calculation for you. It's like having your own Weather Genie. Other features would be following your friends. You might be safe, but a notification that your son or daughter at their ball game or outside event is under duress, you'll know how much time they have so that you can go and get them and put them in safe shelter. But how often are you really in danger? A lot of the time, you just want to know what's going to happen. You can see the atmosphere, the sky, the clouds. They look bad. But with our app, you can point your mobile device to the sky and automatically calculate whether or not you're safe. This is revolutionary technology. There are over 1 million weather apps available, but this is not another weather app. It includes weather, but it also includes you and whether or not this threat of weather is going to affect you. That's how we separate ourselves from all the weather apps. We're proposing technology that will override the existing archaic warning system. If you have a mobile device, you will be safe. With your help, we can build a system that overrides everything that exists today with accuracy unheard of before, giving you time before the storm arrives, the ability to point your device at the sky and know exactly whether or not something's coming your way, and the ability to warn family and friends by following them and knowing if they're under harm or in harm's way. Now, it's up to you. With your donation, you can help build a system that has never been seen before or technology that's never been heard of before. And more importantly, you can save your life and the lives of those you care about.